These are soap nuts or soap berries. Have you heard of these? I first learned about them in India when all the girls were washing their hair with these and cleaning their clothes, and I was hooked. You just add water and you can see the suds are already forming, and I boil them for about 20 minutes and then let them cool. And then I store them in a glass container, and it stores for a few weeks in the refrigerator. But this is just such an efficient, clean way that you can clean almost anything you need. I love it. I add essential oils. For my shampoo, I like to add rosemary because rosemary is great for your hair. It has so many benefits for your hair. I'll get into that later. But you see the shampoo on the left, how sudsy it is, and then I have the vinegar water I use for my hair rinse, and then pure water I use at the end. That's all you need. So I save the seeds so I can plant more trees. I know that doesn't work for everybody. You have to be in a subtropical climate. So if you go to my website, Make the Time, THYME, Make the Time, or to my YouTube channel, I get in more depth on this, and I can show you where you can get your own soap nuts and just simplify your life and be more sustainable, more clean and non-toxic for your health.